Hey everybody, Seth the Outdoor Power Man here. I'm going to show you around our shop a little bit, show you some of the tools that we're using to work on lawnmowers, set up lawnmowers. Showing it to you is kind of some interesting stuff that we fabricated ourselves, kind of make all of our lives easier. Alright, so this is our Atlas 8,000 pound 2-post automotive car lift. Bought it from Atlas, and then Atlas also sold a Cradle system that you can see on here that is designed for golf carts, side-by-sides, whatever you want to go on it. We modified it a little bit to make it work for us. So you can see where we added this big tube steel here and just put it right on top. We have it designed so we can take it on and off if we did want to use it as a 2-post. And then the Cradle system, like I said, we bought from Atlas as an accessory. And then we have it set up so you can take the pins out. We can move this. We could get a crew cab side by side on here, golf carts, 0 turns. You can get all the way down to a small garden tractor if you wanted to. But yeah, it's just an automotive car lift that we made. Really great tool. We use it every day. Nice part is too, you get lawnmowers on here, it exposes the deck underneath. You can take the blades off. You can get it way up over your head. I'll show you some of the reasons we use it so much to make our lives easier. Thanks for tuning in.